Story Do Good, Have Good. In old times, there lived a slave in a village. He was honest and kind hearted, but his master was cruel and often tortured him without any excuse. The slave did everything to please his master in vain. One day he ran away and hid himself in jungle. Suddenly, he heard a roar, and the next moment, a big lion was standing near him. He was too frightened to run away. After a while, he saw that the lion was striking its paw on the ground. It was also crying with pain. The slave gathered his courage and went near the lion. He saw that there was a big thorn in its paw. The slave took pity on him and pulled out the thorn. The lion felt relief and went away. After some days, the slave was arrested and was thrown before a hungry lion as punishment. At first, the lion rushed at him, but the next moment it stopped and began to lick his feet lovingly. In fact, it was the same lion whom the slave had helped in the jungle. Moral: kindness never goes unrewarded. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.